Hi, my name is Alla, and I'm so happy you're here. I create teddy bears and other teddy animals using my own unique patterns, each one made with love, care, and lots of creativity. If you've ever dreamed of making your own adorable teddy bear, you're in the right place. I invite you to join my special masterclass on how to create a teddy bear named Tatoozy. It's available exclusively on my Patreon page, the link is right under this video. In this masterclass, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process of creating your own teddy bear. You'll get access to 24 detailed video lessons, perfect for both beginners and those who already love sewing and crafting. You'll also receive the pattern for the Tatoozy bear completely free as part of the class. You'll learn how to transfer the pattern to your fabric and properly prepare every piece. I'll show you how to sew the bear and carefully connect all the parts so they move just like a real teddy should. But creating a teddy bear is more than just stitching, it's about giving your bear personality and charm. That's why I'll teach you how to tone the bear, bring out its character, and give it an individual, handmade touch. You'll learn how to correctly install the eyes, create eye whites, and even add beautiful details like eyelashes and eyelids, all to make your bear truly come to life. Whether you're creating for yourself, for gifts, or even thinking about selling your bears, this masterclass is a perfect place to start. And that's not all. On my Patreon page, you can also purchase my author's patterns for other teddy animals. These designs are exclusive and crafted with love, perfect for collectors, crafters, or anyone who wants to sew something truly special. If you'd like to join me and start creating your very own teddy bear, just click the link under this video to visit my Patreon page. By subscribing, you'll get access to this full masterclass, free pattern, and more exclusive content to support you on your teddy bear journey. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the masterclass soon.